Archbishop Richard Forskin here. Archbishop Richard Forskin here reading Leviticus. Quiet. Damn commercial. Satan must have sent this to me. Skip that. I'm gonna read Sing and Dance to Raining Blood by Slayer while I read Leviticus for you. Hold on, we must read Leviticus first. And he sprinkled thereof on the altar 7 times and anointed the altar and all the vessels, both his hair and his foot, to sanctify them. And he poured the anointing oil upon Aaron's head and anointed him to sanctify him. And Moses brought Aaron and his sons after he bathed them and put coats on them and girded them with curious girdles. Put bonnets on them, as the Lord commanded Moses. Yes, and what else did he do? Well, they slew their hands on that. They slew the ram, and they slew it, and Moses took the blood of it and put it upon the tip of Aaron's right ear and upon the thumb of his right hand and the great toe of his right foot. And Aaron brought sons. Moses put on the blood upon the tip of their right ear and their thumbs and their right hands and their big toes. Moses sprinkled the blood upon the altar round about. Moses said unto Aaron, Go unto the altar and unto the sin offering. Offer the sin offering, thy burnt offering, make an atonement for thyself and the people, and offer of the people. Offering of the people, make an atonement for them as the Lord commanded. And Moses went into the altar and slew the calf of the sin offering, which was for himself. And Aaron brought the blood unto him, and he dipped his finger in the blood, and put it upon the horns on the altar. Yes, there were horns on the altar, all around the edges, and the corners. Poured the blood on the bottom of the altar. Fat and the kidneys and the gall above the liver, sin offering, was burnt upon the altar as the Lord had commanded, and the flesh and the hide he burnt with fire without the camp. Anyway, he slew the burnt offering, and Aaron's sons presented unto him the blood, which he sprinkled, shook the blood round about the altar, and presented the burnt offering unto him with the pieces, because they cut it up into pieces thereof, and the head, and the burnt thereof upon them. He burnt the head of the animal on the altar for the Lord with all the blood. We're going to sing and dance now to Raining Blood by Slayer, in the name of the Lord. See how it goes.